Welcome to Storytime with Teacher Matthew. Today's book is National Geographic Kids Farm Animals. Chapter 1. What's a farm? A farm is a place where people produce things. Some of the things are sold, some are used there on the farm. There are many kinds of farms. Some kinds, like dairy farms, have animals. On other types of farms, fruits and vegetables are grown. A farmer has cows on a dairy farm. Twice a day, the farmer milks the cows. Then, the farmer can sell the milk. On many poultry farms, chickens are free range. This means that they can wander around a large area to find food. Every day on a poultry farm, the chickens lay eggs. The farmer collects the eggs and sells them. On a sheep farm, sheep grow thick wool to stay warm through the winter. In the spring, the farmer shaves the sheep and collects the wool to sell. People buy the wool to make clothes. The sheep stay cool in the summer. In the fall, they will grow a thick coat again. Not all farmers raise animals. Some farmers grow crops. Animals eat crops, and people use crops to make food. On a wheat farm, fields of wheat are cut down in the fall. Then some parts of the wheat are bundled to sell. The wheat from the farm makes a lot of flour. People buy flour to make bread, cakes, and other foods. Other farmers have orchards. An apple orchard produces apples every year. The apples are harvested in the fall and sold to make cider and apple pie. Some farmers grow fruit orchards. Other farmers grow nut orchards. Apples that fall can be a tasty treat for birds, bugs, and horses too. Many foods grown on a vegetable farm throughout the year. In the spring, the farmer grows lettuce and radishes, then carrots, tomatoes, and cucumbers start to grow. Other vegetables are planted later in the year. Squash and pumpkins grow in the fall. Rabbits eat carrots from a vegetable farm. Family farms usually have a variety of animals and crops. These family-owned farms may have sheep, chickens, pigs, horses, and cows, all on one farm. A family farm produces and sells many things. One farmer can sell eggs, wool, and meat at a farmer's market. Our turn. These photos show things that farms produce. Guess what product each photo shows. If you don't remember, you can go back to the pages I just read. Chapter 2, A Day on the Farm. On a family farm, the sun slowly rises on a new summer day. A rooster crows loudly, "Arr, arr, arr, arr," and the cows stand next to the gate. Soon the farmer will lead them into a field. The farmer opens the gate. The cows walk through. The grass in the field is green and thick. The cows eat. The sun rises higher and the chickens begin to roam around the yard. The farmer has scattered grain for them. The chickens are hungry, so they use their beaks to peck and eat. Chickens eat other things in the yard too. They use their beaks to dig for worms and other bugs. It's noon and the sun is high now. It's hot. The pigs stay in the shade in their pen. They drink water from a long trough. The pigs roll in the mud in their pen. The wet mud cools them. It's late afternoon now. In a pasture beyond the field, a sheep looks up and runs. A black and white dog bounds over the hill. The dog is a border collie. Its job is to herd the sheep to a new place. The farmer wants to use the pasture for other animals. The dog helps the farmer move the sheep away. The sun begins to set and the animals move again. The horses in the field change direction and trot together toward the stable. The farmer opens the stable door. Each horse has his own space inside. The horses will eat and sleep standing up. It's getting dark now. The chickens get ready to roost in their coop. One by one, they flutter inside, where it's comfortable and warm. Chickens look around the coop. Soon, it will be dark. Then they will sleep. It's night on the farm. Cows and sheep snuggle down in the straw and settle in for the night. They lie close together in the barn to keep warm. It's quiet in the barn now. All the animals are asleep. Say, where these animals go? If you don't remember, you can go back to what I just read. Work on a farm is hard. Animals such as horses, oxen, and mules used to do most of the heavy work. Today, farmers often use machines. On a wheat farm in the spring, the farmer uses a tractor to pull a smaller machine to the field. The tractor is strong. It pulls the small machine a long ways. This is chapter 3. The small machine is called a plow. As many sharp parts that move in a circle, a plow digs deep into the soil, turning it over and over. Chickens used to do this work. They peck and scratch in the soil to turn it over too. The plow gets rid of weeds. Now the soil is ready for seeds. Next, the farmer uses a machine called a grain drill. This machine first digs holes in the soil and then drops seeds through tubes. The grain drill pushes the wheat seeds into the ground. It covers the seeds up. Now the wheat can grow. The wheat grows tall through the summer. Finally, in the fall, it's ready to be harvested. A farmer uses a combine to cut, separate, and clean the wheat. Then the wheat will be processed and sold. The combine saves the farmer a lot of work. It does 3 jobs at once. Not all farmers have big machines. In many places, farmers continue to use animals to help them do the hard work. These animals are strong. They do important jobs. The farmer could not run the farm without their help. Act out what each machine does. The donkey plow, the tractor plow, the grain drill, and the combine. The ends.